Hey everyone, it's Desiree of SincerelyMrsMommy.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some wraps. I've got 4 styles for you, and so a lot of people ask me, like, how do you do these wraps? Because I'm always wearing a wrap. They're super convenient for in-between hairstyles as a protective style. If you're having a bad hair day and you're just like, I need to wrap it up, these are some easy styles that you can do, so stay tuned and watch. So pretty, right? I just love these colors. This is actually from Joann Fabrics. I got this one from Joann's. I've always wished that they would carry, and finally they are. Designed exclusively for Joann. I'm gonna try to find out who the designer of this is because this is awesome. So let's work with this one. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna do the back one, the back bun, okay? So you will take your fabric, so you have it square. And I think I'm going to stand up. Move out of the way. Let me stand back so you can see. This is how big it is, okay? It's a little bit over a yard. You'll take the corner and flip it over like this, okay? Because you want this piece right here to be your base. And yes. My dress, I made a skirt, oh my god. Behind the scenes. Anyway, so this is the part where the flap is, and you'll take the inner part and make that your base. You're going to flip it around and put it top here, okay? So like I said, see? I'm trying to make it real simple because some folks are like, you're going too fast, I just don't get it. Then you pull it around tight, pull around your ear, gather it like a low ponytail, and you just start twisting, just like a low ponytail, and twist. Twist, 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 twist. I twist all the way to the end, and then I bring it around. I hope I am in frame. Tuck it, tuck the ends in, and there you go. Got a bun. A low bun. And then, if you want, you can pull it to the side. And then, if you want, you can pull it around to the front. And if it comes loose, so this part may not be that great, so let's start. But you can pull it around to the front. This will work better if it was a stretchy material. Then you could just slide it wherever you want it to go. But if you want a top knot, you would just, again, take the base. Okay, bring it all the way to the front and twist. Twist, 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 like you're doing a ponytail in the front. Go as tight as you can. The tighter, the better. It'll be easier to roll. And then come up and around. And tuck the ends in. This is my favorite. And the back is nice and clean. Okay, so that's one style. On the side is number 2, and the top is number 3. While I have, yeah, I'll come back to that. Then, what you can do, another style. Again, make this your base. To the front. Bring it around to the side. Okay. twist to the side. So instead of twisting with it going straight back, twist to the side. Tight, 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 tight. Bring it up and around. Twist, twist, twist. Bring it all the way around and tuck to the front. This is another new one that I like. And then you can leave it here, or you can hold this part right here and push this back. So it's kind of like a goddess braid in the front. And then whatever leftover ends, you just tuck. So whatever piece of fabric that sticks out, you just tuck. And there you go. I don't know what to call this. Goddess braid? Maybe. Alright. And one more. So if you want like the big, like Erica Badu-ish type, what you can do is, again, so you would take one piece of fabric, do the twist in the front with the bow, twist, 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 bring it around, make that first big loop, okay? Bring it around, okay? Push it back a little bit, and then you would take another piece of fabric. Let's do this one, this thin one. Tuck in your ends. Bring it around, okay? And then you would take the two ends, tie, okay? Pull, and then you can just take the flap, pull it over, or you can actually, if it's not long enough, pull and then just tuck within it. That is like the main key. It's basically wrapping and tucking. Take the other end, crisscross, and tuck it in. Find wherever you can tuck it, and you've got a wrap. And then you can just, you know, play with it until you get the look that you want. And then push it back. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks.